Lisa here, your Yum Ambassador from Live Yummy. And I am really excited to unbox today my new painting supplies from Angelus. It's specific paints and prep materials for painting shoes. Here's the thing, I painted shoes maybe 18, 20 years ago. I'd buy white sneakers, and then as they got older, I would just paint on them and wear them until there was no sole left. And I loved painting my shoes, and I had never seen anyone else do it. And now everybody and their brother is painting shoes on YouTube. And that's fine, that's cool. I didn't really take it any further. But what I didn't know then was how to make what I was using then, acrylic paints, how to make those paints stick on the shoes really well. I didn't care because it was just for me and I wasn't selling them or anything. I was just wearing them for the fun of it. And actually part of the charm was that the paint came off and they got kind of rough and tumble over time. Now I have the chance to paint some shoes and have them really stick well. So we'll unbox the paints that just came and we'll just see what they're like. Now, I first heard of Angelus Direct from this guy named Marco on YouTube, M-A-R-K-O. And he's really fun and funky and cool and crazy. And I really, really like his style and technique a lot. He seems to use these paints a lot and all the prep materials. I did order from Angelus directly, just so that you know, when this comes to you, you have to sign for it because they don't want the paints to freeze. I did have to run to the PO and get the box. So that's a little hassle, but I think it's gonna be worth it. The first thing we see in here is a card that says stop, which I always think that's really great marketing. There's questions, customer service, FAQ, YouTube. So there's some good customer service right there. His instructions are really little. Prep the area using the prepare and deglazer, which I did get. Apply multiple thin coats rather than 1 or 2 thick coats. Allow to dry completely. Finish off with the finisher and allow to dry for 48 hours. It's all kind of small for this little card, I think, but it's good that they have instructions right at the beginning. Oh, look at this. It's a cute little sticker. He is looking a little mad for my taste, but anyway. Oh, there's another sticker. No, it's a, what is that? Is that an ornament for your Christmas tree? What is that, like maybe it's a, I don't know what that is. I don't know. An air freshener for the car or something? Well, anyway, that's a cute little something. So the first thing I got that was important to notice, this. This is the first part. The leather prepare and deglazer. And I think this is an important piece that I didn't have before, that just prepares the leather shoe to take the paint. Apply it to the shoe to remove the factory finish. Well, they're assuming you're using brand new shoes. I'm really excited to have this. I think this will make it stick better. Then, of course, I just got all the basic colors. Yellow, blue, and red, primary colors. I can mix any color I want from those. And then I got a white and a black. So I got plenty of each of those because I'll always use more of those. Then there's the acrylic finisher. It's a modern water-based finish which when dry gives a non-cracking, flexible, water-resistant finish to leather. So that is perfect. Then there's this too thin. You can add it a little bit to thin the paint itself. And I think that's just because these paints are very concentrated, which is great. I want to get a really good value for the money that I'm paying. So then we're gonna thin the paints out a little bit with the too thin. And then it looks like they sent me a lanyard, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the lanyard, but that's really sweet. It says Angelus. I guess they're promoting. That's great. And I ordered something special from these guys, the golden product. It's a fabric painting medium. I paint on a lot of clothes with acrylic paint, and this is an additive that I can use with the acrylic paint so that the paint itself won't crack. Now, I've used water a lot, but I think this is supposed to be better, and I'm giving it a try. I saw this same product at Michael's, but it was much more expensive than it was from Angelus. Well, this is the package, and I think they did a really nice job presenting this. They had really good customer service in the ordering. The website was really nice. The packaging was good and compact. I might have even gotten free shipping because of how much stuff I bought. Yeah, it was free shipping, over $75. They added a couple of cute little stickers, and they gave a good connection of how I can get hold of the customer service if I need them, and also how to find them on YouTube so I can learn by watching them do stuff. So overall, so far, I am really pleased with this shipment and I can't wait to try them. I'll try them on another video, but I just want to say so far that I think this company's done a really nice job of making their products available. The website, it's really clear what you're ordering and why you need it. The titles even of the product, it's really clear that you're going to use this finisher at the end. The prepare and deglazer, it's really clear you'll use that at the beginning. I think everything seems like really well put together in this company, and I'm so excited to try my first pair of shoes in it. See you next time. Angelus, or Angelus, I guess. Angelus, I guess. What is that? I don't know what that is.